This is the Google Nest Wi-Fi second generation. On the front here, you are greeted with the router and the pod. On the top, you have just the Google logo. On the front, you have the Google logo as well. On the side, you're greeted with literature that you can pause and read as you wish. Doing this with one hand, so I'm kind of struggling a little bit. On the other side, you are greeted with more literature that you can pause and read at the same time. Alright, on the back side here, you're greeted with a nice little picture with the Google logo there. Okay, so I took the plastic off of the box already because I had to bring the box upstairs to hook it up to the router. I mean, to the modem that we have with AT&T, which is currently right over there on the thing over there. Now this we are turning into my daughter's playroom, so it's a little bit of a mess. Slash schoolroom, because she is being on the virtual school learning. So as you can do here, just lift. And you can hear it coming off. There we go, nice sound. So, as you see here, you are greeted with the pod right there and the Wi-Fi router. And you got a QR code, it looks like, on the bottom that you will be scanning. Alright, so let's see what else we got. Lift that up. Alright, let's see if I can get in here. Here's your books. Okay, that removes. You have your plugs right here. Here's one. And none of these matter because they're on the same side as the devices. In there. Alright. Now what else you got in here? People say you got this Ethernet cables. Let's see. How do you get this sucker up? Alright. So I got something in here. It's a white cable. As you see, that's probably your Ethernet. I'm not going to pull that out yet. Is it? Yep. So nothing else in the box. That's a nice clean little setup there. So this must be your Ethernet cable. If I can get this open without damaging the box. There you go. So we'll put that back in the box here. And yes, this is your Ethernet cable right there, guys. So there you go. That's a little quick boxing of the Nest Wi-Fi from Google. The box is that part of the box is upside down. Anyways, guys, please like, subscribe to my channel, and have a great, awesome day. See you later.